Welcome back. Now, the first part of our live example, we're going to start with an existing document. And one of the things that you can do with an existing document is you can use the AI tool called Editor for your proofreading. And typically, you will see here in the right side menu that you'll have editor suggestions. And if you don't see them, what you can do is you can go to this area and you can click on the editor, and then the editor will pull open a sidebar. Now, this is more than just spelling and grammar. What the editor is attempting to do is to help you in other areas. As you can see here, the areas that are listed include clarity, conciseness, formality, inclusiveness, perspectives, punctuation, geopolitics, and then vocabulary. What you'll want to do with your document is you'll first want to determine what kind of evaluation that you want. If you change this to a casual tone, you will see the editor score change. If you change this back to a formal tone, you will see the editor score change again. And so the editor is trying to assess what kind of evaluation that you want Microsoft Word to give your document. And so it's a good idea to always save a separate copy of your document. Once we've saved our separate copy, and we have determined what kind of evaluation that we want, we can then begin to make changes based on those elements. And you can begin to make your changes one by one. And once you've completed all the elements, Microsoft Word will give you a perfect score in terms of evaluating your document against the standards for the style that you have chosen. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.